Prepare to be astonished. Today, we're unveiling the groundbreaking machinery, revolutionizing forestry and wood processing. From massive tree harvesters to cutting-edge precision tools, we've got every game changer in the industry. Let's witness the felling of a 14-foot diameter sequoia, completed in 10 hours over 2 days using the Echo CS800P chainsaw, featuring an 80.7cc engine, 6 horsepower, and a 90 cm bar, designed for large, heavy timber. The Monster Splitter Firewood Processor by Cord King handles logs up to 72 inches in diameter and 16 feet long, ideal for large-scale firewood production. It efficiently splits massive logs into smaller pieces in one pass, maximizing productivity. Now, let's see how the Morbark 223 flail operates. With a 72-inch working width and capable of handling materials up to 6 inches in diameter, this 150 horsepower flail is perfect for clearing brush and small trees in forestry. The Pizzolato TMTB 600 excels in efficient firewood production and heavy-duty wood processing. The 55 kilowatts engine processes 10 to 15 cubic meters per hour, delivering 40 tons of splitting force and handling logs up to 23.6 inches in diameter. This is the John Deere 1270G, equipped with a 382 horsepower engine that processes up to 80 cubic meters of timber per hour. It handles trees up to 29.5 inches in diameter and features a 7.8 to 8.2 meter boom for efficient large-scale harvesting. The Madil 2850C, with its 400 horsepower engine, excels in hauling logs up steep inclines using a heavy-duty winch system. It efficiently transports logs from rugged mountain terrain, handling over 30 tons with ease. With a capacity to handle 50 to 70 trees per hour, the Metavic S180 wood processor efficiently processes and cuts trees up to 18 inches in diameter. Ideal for high output operations, it combines power and precision to enhance productivity in wood processing. The Viber 78 chipper can turn a massive log into a pile of wood chips in no time. It processes up to 50 cubic meters per hour, handles logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter, and produces fine and coarse chips efficiently. Watch as red incense wood logs up to 2 meters in diameter are sliced into large slabs with 200-ton saws. Each slab, valued at $5,000, showcases nature's intricate patterns and the factory's advanced sawing techniques. The Volvo L70F wheel loader boasts a breakout force of 10,600 kilograms and a lift height of 3.6 meters, making it ideal for efficiently loading and transporting large logs in wood handling operations. The Binder Burger Gigant Pro features a powerful 100 horsepower engine and hydraulic splitting force of 25 tons, processing logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter into 55 centimeters firewood at 20 cubic meters per hour, ideal for high-capacity firewood production. Impressive! It's amazing to witness such skill in action. The cutting process handles a massive wood block, 1.2 meters in diameter, with a saw blade delivering an astonishing 150 tons of cutting force, showcasing top-tier precision and clarity. The Japa 365 firewood processor handles logs up to 6 meters long and 45 centimeters in diameter. With 50 to 80 kilowatts engine power, it efficiently processes 5 to 10 cubic meters per hour, ideal for large-scale firewood production. With a robust 190 kilowatts engine and a weight of 22,000 kilograms, the 2006 Komatsu PC200LL integrates with a Forest Pro telescoping limber to handle trees up to 14 meters long, significantly enhancing efficiency in large-scale logging and land clearing operations. With a cutting force of up to 30 tons, the CNC Equipment Bobcat T190 attachment splits logs up to 30 inches in diameter. It processes wood efficiently, handling high-volume firewood production with a 10 to 15 second cycle time per log. The Spaltzench 1270 hydraulic log splitter delivers up to 12 tons of splitting force, handling logs up to 7.5 inches in diameter, ideal for efficiently splitting large logs and firewood. It's versatile for various carriers. Removing bark from logs used to be a grueling task, but now, with the Muir SLH, it's effortless, handling logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter and processing up to 120 logs per hour. This machine strips bark with precision and speed. The MB bomb against felling crane efficiently removes large trees up to 20 meters high and weighing up to 2.5 tons, minimizing road closures to half. It's used for safe and quick tree removal in challenging terrain. Endurance's high-speed woodyards include a stem singulator operating up to 15 stems per minute and a merchandiser with a 30-inch per second vertical carriage, processing up to 10 stems per minute. Features include a high-speed scan chain and durable direct coupled conveyor systems. Say goodbye to those pesky stumps with the Atera Vortex Stump Grinder. This 90cm diameter wheel tackles stumps up to 30 centimeters in diameter, turning them into sawdust quickly. Can you feel the raw energy in this place? The gang saw crafts lumber like a conductor, honoring community, heritage, and American innovation with every board produced. With a 120 horsepower engine and a rated operating capacity of 3,200 pounds, the ASV Max RT120 excels in heavy-duty tasks. Its powerful hydraulic system and robust build make it ideal for efficiently removing tree stumps and handling demanding terrain. Clearing wooded land using an anchor chain and bulldozer can handle up to 20 to 40 acres per day. This method efficiently removes trees and underbrush, making it ideal for large-scale land clearing projects in dense forests and challenging terrains. Here is one of the most unique tools I've ever seen: the Real Mayer BM250 Forest Mulcher. It tackles vegetation up to 20 centimeters or 8 inches in diameter, clearing brush and small trees efficiently for land management. The Growy GSW-30 log splitter boasts a powerful 30-ton force and handles logs up to 100 centimeters in diameter. Efficiently splits logs in about 6 seconds, ideal for large-scale wood processing. The Bobcat T770 compact loader with a forestry cutter attachment transforms dense overgrowth into mulch in minutes. With a 30-ton force and efficient spiral tooth pattern, it processes both hard and soft woods for disaster mitigation, site prep, and property maintenance, producing mulch from top to bottom. With over 200 horsepower, the Cat D6R XL bulldozer efficiently tackles dense bamboo, using its powerful blade and XL tracks for stability. Ideal for land clearing, forestry, and road building, it easily handles tough vegetation and challenging terrain. The Vol F4 Dayon Log Forwarder with a Kasla 203T crane efficiently transports logs in rugged terrain. Its robust frame and hydraulic system enhance productivity, making it ideal for heavy-duty timber transport in forestry. Thanks for exploring forestry machinery with us. If you found this video interesting, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on the latest powerful equipment reshaping the timber industry. Catch you in the next one.